Hi y'all, Kelly Arbley here with Lila Rose. I'm sharing with you today our unsung hero of our hair accessory arsenal, the bobby pin. So we have some really amazing bobby pins that are different and just unique and strong, that you can really do a lot with. So depending on your hairstyle and what you like, there's going to be plenty to choose from with your Lila Rose Stylist website. So if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to your Lila Rose stylist. So I'm going to share with you how to take out a bobby pin and how to put in a bobby pin. So this particular bobby pin is called the Poppy, and it's available in red and in yellow. And there's also matching flexi clips, so you can like have a whole set if you wanted to. So we're going to pull this bobby pin out, and the way that I do that is I hold my hair against my scalp and I pull the bobby pin out just a little bit at a time, so that way when I push my hair against my scalp, I'm pulling that bobby pin out, I'm not going to pull any hair with it because they are very, very strong, and we don't want to pull any hairs out. So they're just really, really precious. All right, so we're going to do a quick hairstyle. So on the bobby pin, because I have such fine, thin hair, I like to hide the pin part of the bobby. And I just like to have the embellishment part sticking out. So if you have slippery hair, coarse hair, thick hair, long hair, short hair, this may be something that you can do just to dress up your hairstyle. If you wear buns, I can't do buns yet, but you can also add these to your buns and just have a little something added to your bun just to make it fun, right? All right, so we're going to take this section of hair and I'm just going to give it a nice little twist. So that way I'm sectioning off this piece like by itself. And then as I am opening up the bobby pin, I'm going to go embellishment side down or face down. And then I have the twist against my head. So we're going to open up that bobby and pinch it on the sides. And then I'm going to slide that bobby against my scalp to just catch that twist and the end of the bobby. You don't want to push it all the way back. You just want it towards the end. And then you're going to anchor the twist that you just had, and you're going to flip it and push it back into that twist that you just created so you can hide the pin. So just something really quick and easy and very, very secure. I personally sometimes fall asleep with them in my hair, and I'll wake up the next morning and it's still there in the same spot. So just something really, really just fun to have, just a little simple bobby pin in your hair. And then we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to just grab this other side of hair here, and I'm going to section this off. I'm going to leave some fringe around my face, just a little bit, just to show off those curls. And I'm just going to pick this up, and then I'm going to just twist that section, and I'm going to lay it against my scalp, and I'm going to push it up just to add some volume to the crown of my head, just because I have thinner hair and it likes to fall flat. So again, embellishment side down, and then I'm going to open up that bobby, pinch it on the sides, and then I'm going to slide just the end of the bobby onto that simple little twist, not all the way. And then as I'm holding that twist section, I'm going to flip it and push it back into itself. So now we have just a really nice little hairstyle that pulling your hair back can just really just add something to your hair and make you feel just so pretty, right? Who doesn't like to feel pretty? These make the best gifts. So if you've never thought about giving a bobby pin set as a gift, this will change your mind because they are just so unique and so lightweight and hold all different types of hair why wouldn't you want to give a set? So me personally, I love to gift them. And if you, again, have any questions, reach out to your Little Rose stylist. Go shopping on your Little Rose stylist website. Have some fun. Have some hair fun. Feel pretty. And thank you so much for watching this video. And be beautiful every day.